Hi everyone, welcome to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH. New viewers, welcome. My lovely subscribers, welcome. Salamat sa lagi niyong pag-support niyo sa akin. Salamat for being here with me, for joining me here. New viewers, sana mag-reconsider po kayo na mag-subscribe and mag-subscribe po at saka subscribe my channel and help me build my channel back up again kasi nabora ko siya. And also if you anyone na may alam na maka-resonate tong yung message, please also share it with them. Baka makatulong tong mensahe to, baka para sa kanila din tong mensahe na ito. Okay? And also, this is also a timeless and general reading, so hindi lahat makaka-resonate po nito. Okay? And as my previous na sinabi ko po sa video ko po na I need your help for vote, everyone. So, kung ito ang gusto nyo na klase na reading, please vote. If you want me to change this reading to 12 zodiac signs, please do vote. Kasi gusto ko malaman, I want to know which do you prefer for me to do the readings, okay? So, I hope that you will vote and you will comment down below. Ilagay nyo lang sa comment area po, okay? Kung alin ang gusto nyo na type na reading. Okay. So, let's begin. Today we have a full moon. So, titingnan natin kung anong mga mensahe, what your current situation, kung may darating ba na positive, or answered prayers, or anything. Okay, we'll take a look. Meron tayong rain. Rain, purification. Kailangan ka magbawas ng mga negative. I-let go mo yung mga negative na hindi mo na kailangan. It's not serving you. It could be emotions. It could be mga hindi maganda na mga tao. It could be anything. Okay. And meron tayong wind activation. Oh, by the way, everyone, I also want to remind you that this is a Taglish reading. So, Tagalog, English. Ginawa ko kasing Taglish na reading po kasi hindi lahat, hindi kasi, kunti lang kasi ang meron na dito po, kunti lang yung, how do you call this one? Channel na Taglish kasi lahat puro totally Tagalog lang siya, no? Tapos, yeah. So, I was thinking, i-Taglish ko siya, yung reading ko. So, kasi may nag-comment na Tagalog ko daw kasi this channel is totally Tagalog. Pero this channel is actually a Taglish. Na-mention ko na to before from the beginning, I think, for this, when I created this channel, when I did start my video. But anyway, I just want to remind you, everyone, okay, this is a Taglish, channel na reading na po, na tarot. Okay? Okay. Meron tayong activation, wind activation. So, ito yung panahon na i-action mo no? Gawin mo. It's not just letting go of your negativity, emotions, situations, people. It could be people as well, but it's time to engage as well. To go outside, to go outside, or you go or accept the situation that you need to let go of this negativity. Okay. It's time to move forward. Okay? It's time to move forward. Hindi mo kailangan yung negative na yan. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan yan. Yung negative yan ay nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng pabigat sa'yo. Okay? It could be, my goodness, there's lots of barking outside. Sorry about that. Anyway, there's lots of stress going on your situation. Okay? Kaya kailangan mo siya i-let go na yan. Tanggalin mo yan. If it's people, tanggalin mo yan. If it's emotions, try to get rid of it slowly. If it's emotion, kontrolin mo. Okay? Okay. Next. Meron tayong fire rising. Ow. Sandali, nalaglag ko yung taro. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back everyone. Sorry, nalaglag yung taro ko kasi na ano ko. It's a bit crowded in my side of my table, kaya naganon ko siya. Oh. Na-knock off ko siya. Sorry everyone. Anyway, we've got fire rising. Okay, ilagay natin siya dito. Can you still see that? Okay. Okay, fire rising. Maganda to siya na omen. Did you see that shape? Shape niya is a phoenix. Nag-rise siya. It's a very good omen. This is a card of like honorable, new direction, courageous. You could be possibility na kailangan mo mag-decide hasty for the better, for good. We don't know yet, so we as we go on alone, we will unfold this. Okay. This is a very good card. This is a good card. It could be signifies to a new direction, no, a new direction, a new home, or something that you are moving forward. There is a movement. There is a movement na magmo-move forward ka na. Okay? Kaya kailangan mo to dalawa to take actions. Itong dalawa ito. Okay? Para ma-reach mo ito. The new beginning. Okay. Kasi, pag may toxic na situation, hindi mo siya ma-let go, ma-stuck ka. Hindi mo makuha yung, hindi ka mag-move forward, walang new beginning na paparating sa'yo. Kasi ma-stuck ka, kasi your emotion is, yung parang up and down na, hindi mo maintindihan na. Okay? You're out of balance. Okay. Next. Tingnan natin yung tarot nyo. Okay? Meron tayong Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Ilagay natin siya dito. Ano pa? Did you know that Queen of Pentacles is also a prediction na magiging masaya ka kung ma-let go mo tong dalawang negativity na ito? Kasi makikita mo na yung nag-move forward ka na. May panibagong parating sa iyo. Okay? Okay. Meron tayong Nine of Pentacles. Something is coming. Something is coming na may malaking pagbabago na darating sa iyo. Meron tayong Eight of Wands. Meron nga. Meron talagang parating sa iyo na pagbabago. Kung hindi mo to ma-release, hindi mo to gawin, you cannot go on forward with this. Sa bagong changes na parating sa iyo. Okay? It could be moving a new house. It could be getting a new premises sa business nyo, project nyo. It could be anything, you know. Hindi naman kasi specifically for kung anong klase siyang sitwasyon, okay? So, ikaw lang nakakaalam kung anong klaseng sitwasyon na yan, okay? Meron tayong Queen of Cups. Alam mo, nakikita ko sa card mo, no? Down to earth ka, very sensitive ka na tao. You want to live in a harmonious, peaceful, subtle na pamumuhay. Yun yung yun yung gusto mo na, yun yung gusto mong gawin at the same time, you want to live peacefully. Meron tayong Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Okay. Ma-achieve mo ito. Okay? Ma-achieve mo to. There's a potential na ma-achieve mo matapos ang problema mo na you've been carrying it for a while now. You've been carrying it on your shoulder alone. Kung i-let go mo nga siya. Purification, linisin mo. Getting rid of negativity, people, situations. Control your emotions. Kasi you cannot get rid of your emotions, pero makontrol mo siya. Okay? So, in order to reach this situation, you gotta do this one first. Okay? Makukuha mo siya. Pero kung hindi mo yan i-action, wala. Kung hindi mo yan gawin, wala. Ma-stuck ka. Okay? Meron tayong Queen of Wands. Ikaw lang ang makakatulong sa sarili mo. Okay? Ikaw lang. Ikaw lang talaga. Makuha mo siya, once na makuha mo magiging masaya ka, magiging inspired ka, you will be happy, you will be living happy, peacefully. What you wanted. Makukuha mo siya. Meron tayong Ten of Pentacles. Kailangan mo kasi i-secure. Ikaw lang ang makakatulong sa sarili mo. Ikaw lang ang makakasecure sa sarili mo. Kasi ikaw ito eh. Ikaw ito. Ikaw lang ang nakakaalam sa sitwasyon mo. Ikaw lang nakakaalam kung paano mo i-get rid of it. So, ito na yung panahon during full moon. Ito na yung panahon, siraduhan mo na yan, yung door na yan sa sitwasyon na yan. Let go. Kaya sabi, take action. Kailangan mo na i-activate. Kailangan mo nang gawin. Kasi during full moon, pag maano mo na ito, magawin mo na ito, go with the flow na yan. Ang flow ay maganda. Diretso-diretso na yan. Wala nang Wala nang hiccups. See? Sabi ko sa'yo, the Fool, the new beginning. This is your confirmation. Ito yung new direction, new changes is coming. This is a big one. Hindi to kaliit-liitan eh. Malaki tong changes na malaki ang apekto ng changes, a good changes sa buhay mo. Malaki siya. Malaking apekto. Okay? Ano pa? Ready ka na, oh. Bit-bit mo na yung leash mo. See? Yung leash mo. Bit-bit na. Ready ka na. Sa ano mo. Sa pagbabago sa buhay mo na darating. Meron tayong Knight of Pentacles. It's an ongoing progress. Tuloy-tuloy na to pag maano mo na ito. Tuloy-tuloy na to yung pagbabago. Tuloy-tuloy na to siya. Once na ma-achieve mo ito, makuha mo na ito, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Diba sabi ko earlier, tuloy-tuloy na yan, walang hiccup, walang wall, walang boundaries, no nothing. Straight, smooth to. Smooth ang niya, pagtakbo ng flow ng sitwasyon mo. Okay? Meron tayong Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. It's a very good it's a very good card. Ito ang nagre-reveal, no? Ito yung card na magbibigay sa iyo ng stability sa sa darating na pagbabago ng sitwasyon mo sa buhay mo. It's also a prediction na another confirmation, no, na makumpleto yung cycle na patapos na ang problema mo. Okay, yun yung sinasabi dyan. No doubt about it, makukuha mo talaga siya, ma-achieve mo siya. Another prediction card na magiging masaya ka, magiging peaceful ka yung mo, pamumuhay mo. If you continue na huwag kang mag-accept ng mga negativity ng mga tao. Kung toxic sila, get rid of it right away. Huwag kang huwag mo silang bitawan mo agad. Kasi sila ang nagbibigay sa iyo ng pabigat. Sila ang nagbibigay sa iyo ng ng energy mo. Nagbablock ng energy mo. Okay? Ano pa? Oops. Okay, meron tayong Seven of Pentacles. Pagod ka na sa kakabitbit ng problema mo. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Ayan na, oh. That's your confirmation over there. That's your confirmation there. Na with all the disappointments, with all the struggles na encountered mo, no? Mawawala na yan. Mapapalitan siya ng panibago. A big one as well. 10 times naman ang reward sa'yo binigay ni Divine Universe. Yung effort mo talaga, ayan, i-rewardan ka na. For some of you, mag-ingat-ingat kayo sa mga finances nyo, ha? It's a warning na baka magkaka-short kayo sa finances nyo. Ma-outbalance kayo, baka maano yung finances nyo, hindi mag-balance ba? Magkulang yung pera nyo. Okay, so look after your finances. Yun yung sinasabi dyan ni Seven of Pentacles. Meron tayong Knight of Cups. Okay, Nine of Cups. Okay. This is your mission in your life na matapos na you want to live peacefully. Gusto ka na maging masaya. That's it. This is it. This is yours. This is yours. You really have a good energy here. Whoever can resonate this. Nine of Cups. This is your mission na finally matatapos na yung yung kahirapan ko. Mabawasan na yung area sa problema mo. Mabawasan na. Okay? You will live peacefully, magiging masaya ka. Okay, malaking changes to ha. Wag kang you need to prepare yourself kasi malaking changes to. It will be maapektuhan yung yung life situation mo in a good way. Kasi malaking pagbabago to. I don't know what you are going through. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. Maapektuhan yung but in a good way naman, sa magandang way naman siya. Okay? Meron tayong the Sun, your final message. Ayan, the Sun. No doubt about it, you're reading. Makukuha mo talaga siya. Mo siya, manalig ka lang. Manalig ka sa sarili mo, sa Divine Universe, na everything will come. I-manifest mo yan during full moon. Okay? Para sa'yo na yan. Whoever can resonate this. Ang ganda ng energy mo. You're finally completing the cycle, or you're finally completing na problema na gusto mo na, matagal mo nang gustong, gusto mo nang matapos. Oh, this is it. Maging masaya ka talaga, no matter how I read your card. Masayang masaya ka, sasaya ka. Malaki ang kasayahan mo ito pag ma-receive mo ito. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this reading. I hope na naka-resonate po kayo. Comment down below and subscribe, like, comment, and hype my video, everyone. Don't forget, everyone, okay? And don't forget to vote as well, everyone. Write it in the comment box, okay? Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.